And once again, joining us, the incomparable Wasim Akram, whose experience and perspective continues to inspire players and fans alike. This session will be expertly moderated by Mr. Salman Nasir, CEO of HPL Pakistan Super League. Gentlemen, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Alize. We had a MC locked for the event, but unfortunately she fell sick at the last moment. So Alize is a student who's just coming to us. Last moment, saving the day. Panel, lovely introduction. Requires no further introduction, but from a personal point of view, current boss, former boss, cricket boss. I'm going to start with Ramiz Bhai, of course, who's been involved with the HPL PSL from year one, actually, as a brand ambassador. Then he's been part of the commentary panel for the HPL PSL. He's also been the chairman of the PCB through some edition of the HPL PSL. Ramiz Bhai, you've been so closely associated. Tell us the significance of HPL PSL to Pakistan cricket.
I think it is everything. It's a great model. It works perfectly for young cricket especially, because what you get through PSL is a platform where your temperament is tested completely. And it's a great way of introducing yourself, not only to Pakistan, but to entire world, because the coverage goes to Australia, England, everywhere. And because of the crowds, you want to be a hero. So that significance is there for any young kid. And the fact is that it works commercially, it works from cricketing aspect, it works from fan aspect. And now that we've got, Gaddafi Stadium is a brand new refurbished stadium, which will mean a great thing, and thanks to Mohsin Saab, because I think what we lacked was drama in the aisles, because there was not enough lights on the fans to really judge their emotions, what they go through a high or a low. And now, because of the brand new lights and the stadium how it's set up, I think you'll be able to see that drama in the aisles as well, which is a great thing. So congrats, well done, sir. The other thing, obviously, is that you see international, the garnish of international, which is so important for PSL. Young kids learn a great deal about cricket through the superstars, and I think it's a great model. It's a domestic model, it's a world-class model, which we should be very proud of.
Thank you, Ramiz Bhai, and I'll go to Wasim Bhai next, who I'll request please be nice to me.
Sure.
Because I stood him up for a jog in the morning in Central Park, and he's very...
When I saw your message corridor 3 in the morning, I got samajh aa gayi ladka hai.
Again, sir, Wasim Bhai has been part of the HPL PSL journey as well from year one, from different perspective also, by being part of the franchise teams in different roles also. Wasim Bhai, tell us a little bit how it's like to be on the other side, because there are people here who are going to be potentially sitting on the other side. What is a franchise experience in the HPL PSL?
When it started the first year, look, everybody was skeptical. Everybody was kind of a back foot. Chalega nahi. Like you said, there were only 4 owners who bids nahi the, so whatever the price was, you had to sell the teams. But when we started the first game we played in Dubai, okay, it was away because of the situation, and eventually came back to Pakistan. It was just, we never looked back. The excitement, the talk. You guys live here. When you come during PSL to Pakistan, that whole 40 days and week before, the whole country have only one subject. Television channels, news channels, discussions, they talk about PSL. And what I love about PSL, with PSL, people say, Peshawar ka Pathan living in Karachi, but he's supporting Peshawar. Karachiite living in Lahore, he's supporting Karachi. Lahori living in Quetta, he's supporting Lahore. So they got identity मिल गई है उनको, अपनी टीमों की. उनको पता लग गया है कि यार ये मेरी टीम है, Hello Heaven, मैंने इसको support करना है all of course, it grew. पहले साल बाहर थी, बताया आपने, सलमान ने बड़ी nicely explain किया कि how it came to Pakistan. We as ex-players, the players, and of course the owners, we were so excited it's going to be Pakistan because PSL belongs to Pakistan, and hence it's only going to get bigger and bigger, and it has gone bigger and bigger. Inshallah, it's going to get massive now.
Inshallah, inshallah. Chairman sir, little known fact about Naqvi Saab is that he's also, in a way, been engaged with HPL PSL from year one. Actually, almost bought a team in the first year. Sir, मेरे पूछना था, याद तो आती होगी।
वैसे आप भी ले सकते हैं नौनी।
नहीं ले सकते। But on a more serious note, sir, we've had a decade of HPL PSL and another decade, inshallah, brimming with potential. Please tell us about your vision for the next 10 years.
It's very clear. Just in one sentence, I will say we need to make this league world #1 league. And inshallah, for that, we have to do a lot of work, especially you. But on the other
I
side,
should have joked with you.
seriously, on the other side, whatever we can do, we are doing to make and promoting the PSL as much as we can. The reason we are sitting here is also the same reason that we want to make it the world's best league. We have announced earlier also that now whoever will be winning, the owners will be getting $500,000 first prize, and the runner-up will be getting $300,000. And
this is apart from prize money. Sorry to cut you. Separate. This is extra.
And also $200,000 for the team who will be spending the most on development. So that is something which will attract our investors more. Now our plan is that we will have the open bid on 8th of January, inshallah, and we have extended the bid document date. It's now 22nd of December. It was finishing on 15th, but a lot of people contacted us and they requested, they need some more time. They need to do some more paperwork, so that's why we have extended it for 1 more week. I have to mention 2-3 main people who actually started this journey. The most important one is Najib Sethi Saab, and I would like to mention him because that was his vision, and we are all carrying this vision. Ameen Bhai has advised a lot of very good things which, if we will be able to do, we can make it one of the best league, and I am very much sure that we will be implementing those suggestions because those are really worth it. Then for the investors, I want to advise few things. The first thing is that don't be like what I am right now. It's 10 years back when this was the first time when bidding was going on, and I thought I will take the Lahore calendar because I am from Lahore. But at that time, I should have bid on the other teams also, but I didn't, and I was not able to get the team. And just imagine what the worth of these teams are at this time, after 10 years. Salman is here tomorrow. If you have any questions or any query, he's available. Then we have Ameen Bhai, Wasim Akram, both are here. They can give you the cricketing side feedback, but number-wise, Salman is here. Just tie up a meeting with him tomorrow. Anytime he's here, all day tomorrow. तो उसमें घबराने की बात नहीं है. उन लोगों से पूछें जो एक्चुअली जिनके पास नंबर है. उसके बाद then one more thing which we have already mentioned, that as soon as this PSL 11 will start, we have already started working on to make this PSL that will also be a game changer for us because this will boost our PSL and we will be able to implement a lot of things which Ramesh have advised us. So we will do that. Which is again very important to make all this process transparent. It will be an open bid. Definitely you have to qualify, you have to there are some requirements you might already have read those requirements, but I can tell you one thing, and we are making sure that it should be transparent like anything. It will be an open bid live on TV. You will all be there and you can see, you will be able to see inshallah that it will be just like there will be no red tape in between. So we had discussion on that also, that people who are coming, they should have a right that whatever they want to know, they should know, and we will provide all of that data to you. Plus, they should see themselves that how transparent we are. So inshallah ta'ala, on 8th, we will be looking forward to see you in Islamabad for the bid. And I am quite sure that the majority of investors will be coming from USA.
Inshallah. I've got a call today. I have to tell you the funny story. One of the greats of the game, I'm not mentioning his name, hockey greats, उनका मुझे phone message आया सुबह कि वो टीम खरीदनी है. मैंने कहा सर PCB का पूरा है वेबसाइट ये वो वहाँ से जाके आप अपने वो डालने हैं फिर आपका वो आ जाएगी पेट में. कह रहे चुपके से दिला दो. I said right. But yeah, the idea, that's what Chairman said, everything will be crystal clear, live bidding, will be proper, professional auctioneer, hopefully will be there to do the job. And, it should be fun. I wish all the potential owners all the best.
Thank you, Chairman Sahab, Wasim bhai. Ramesh bhai, age-old question, I think one that has plagued the minds of cricket fans around the world. Decade of HPL, PSL gone. So much time has passed, league has evolved, my hair has turned grey. How is your hairstyle so consistent?
वैसे ये बता दे secret rap.
ये इसने अभी मेरे से टोपी उतरवाई है. So I mean ये private चीज है. Nothing to be discussed.
You बताइए.
Genuine.
अच्छा, foreign players का तड़का की आपने बात की and we talked also, I think in the earlier panel, Wasim bhai was talking about how the HPL PSL acts as a nursery for talent and nurturing talent. And, lot of emerging players coming out, even foreign players have sometimes found recognition in the HPL PSL. Tim David ho gaya, Harry Brook. I mean, these are names who suddenly made it after the... So, from that point of view, how do you see the talent pool, including foreign and local, that participates in the HPL PSL?
Yeah, you're right. I think there have been so many names from foreign land that have made their mark and have gone on to become, international superstars. I think this league, for such a long time, has always been categorized as the best bowling league in the world. So that we know. Because you see an 18-year-old bowling at 145 clicks, and from nowhere, an overnight sensation. And the foreign players admit this. When they go to a neighboring league, they say that the bowling competition is not as stiff as they find it in PSL. Leagues में वो foreign players के हवाले कर देते हैं crunch moment. और उसमें आपकी फिर वो ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती जो कि आपकी होनी चाहिए. So I think moving forward, I think it's important कि आपके पास जो आपका domestic talent है ना, आपके कप्तान सारे पाकिस्तानी होने चाहिए, मैं समझता हूँ. इसलिए कि ये एक great आपकी एक तरह से grooming ground है. आपका international dugout जब आप share करते हैं with the greats of the game in the shape of overseas professionals or mentors, I think वो आपको एक confidence दिलाती है वो चीज़. और वो फिर आगे लेके आके जाते हैं. बॉडी लैंग्वेज, लीडरशिप सब वहाँ से डेवलप होती है. सो ये 2-3 चीजें हैं जिसमें शायद अभी भी हम थोड़े से पीछे हैं. एंड मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, आई थिंक विद टीम्स कमिंग थ्रू नाउ, न्यू टीम्स टेकिंग शेप, आई थिंक 2-3 थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू डू.
Thank you, Ramesh bhai. Wasim bhai, he travels across the world so much, and किसी भी टाइम कॉल कर लें, किसी टाइम जोन में जाके होते हैं. You were with us in London. You then went back to the UAE, commentated on 3 matches. Last night came back to New York. Wasim bhai, aap thakte nahi hain?
Actually, अब हल्का फुल्का थक जाता है.
Wasim bhai, you participate in all these leagues. You work with so many cricket boards. HPL, PSL को कहाँ rank करते हैं?
To see, I don't like comparison. HPL, PSL by miles are number 2 league in the world. You talk about Ramesh explained it beautifully. The bowling of the league, the interest of the nation of the league. Pura month is like a festive season. Everybody's talking about it. आप दूसरी BBL देख ले, Big Bash League. The people come on the match के लोग आते हैं, देखते हैं, but then they move on very quickly. If you remember when BBL started Big Bash League, it was for 2.5 months. And it didn't got success हुई नहीं because इतनी लंबी थी कि यंगस्टर भूल जाता है ना कि कल के मैच में क्या हुआ और अगला मेरी अगली टीम है वो अगर हफ्ते बाद खेलेगी तो भूल जाएगा वो और अब उन्होंने भी छोटा किया उसको 40 days 45 days तक किया है and this is the beauty of PSL. It will be up with 2 new teams. It will be over in 40 less than 40 days or just over 45 days. And every day there's a game, there's an interest, and I'm sure once you visit Pakistan during PSL, inshallah somebody will now. जब आप कोई से कोई team लेगा, you will see the difference. कि interest is so much, it's just phenomenal. I mean, I travel the world. You don't have to call people there. Actually, houses are almost packed there, and hopefully, chairman साहब जैसे कह रहे थे कराची का stadium नया भी वो भी नया बनाया उसका जरा access थोड़ा comfortable करेंगे, easy करेंगे, then they'll have crowd in Karachi. People love cricket in Karachi. They want to watch Karachi. And hopefully next year will be much better. Access का जो fans है ना उनका access ground में है ना वो थोड़ी problem थी इसलिए last year Karachi लोग थोड़े कम आए हैं, my opinion.
Last question, Chairman साहब. Breaking news दे दें.
नहीं, सबसे पहले वसीम भाई ने कहा कि अबाउट कराची स्टेडियम आधा कराची का जो स्टेडियम था ऑलरेडी कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गया था. जैसे ही PSL टूर्नामेंट खत्म होगा हम बाकी सारा गिराने लगे और इट विल बी बेटर देन लाहौर स्टेडियम. और हमने ऑलरेडी सर्वे कर लिया है. वी आर स्टार्टिंग मुजफ्फराबाद का स्टेडियम उसको हम टेक ओवर कर लिए और हम उसमें इंशाल्लाह ताला टारगेट तो ये है कि PSL से पहले अगर PSL से पहले ना हो बट विद इन दिस ईयर इंशाल्लाह मुजफ्फराबाद का स्टेडियम शुरू करेंगे. उसके बाद जो सबसे बड़ा इस टाइम मेन टारगेट है वो है आवर अकेडमी. उसके ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी थी और मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि आपने 3-4 महीने बाद आके उस अकेडमी को देखना है. ऑफ कोर्स यू विल सी इट विल हैव टोटली चेंज थिंग्स.
लाहौर में भी है, कराची में भी फैसिलिटीज हैं, पूरी अकोमोडेशन है, यू नो एवरीथिंग.
हमने सर्वे किया है कि बेस्ट चीजें दुनिया में कहाँ क्या हैं वो सारी वहाँ पे अवेलेबल.
बिल्कुल
ताकि किसी को कोई शिकवा ना रहे. बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स यहाँ पे उन्होंने पूछा कि PSL कब शुरू होना है बिकॉज आप हमें थोड़ा सा टाइमलाइन बताएं. आई कैन टेल यू वन थिंग कि इंशाल्लाह ताला PSL 11 विल स्टार्ट on 26th of March. तो बिल्कुल करीब है और फाइनल हमारा प्लान है 3rd May को इंशाल्लाह. तो एक और इन्वेस्टर्स का सवाल है दैट इज कि वो नाम में क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग जो वन मोर थिंग फॉर द इन्वेस्टर्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी ऑफर्ड कि सलमान विल बी हियर टुमारो, ज़मीर भाई विल बी हियर बट if you want to take feedback from Sultan Al Rana Sahab. He stood with us for 10 years. HPL. और जिस तरह HPL ने हमें सपोर्ट किया और जिस तरीके से HPL और PSL साथ खड़े रहे, जिस आसरन कि अभी उनको फीडबैक और जो उनके इमोशंस PSL के बारे में हैं वो कहाँ पे हैं. अभी उन्होंने अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यू किया है 10 साल के बाद और पहली चीज़ उन लोगों ने बोली थी कि ये तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता कि हम इस ब्रांड को छोड़ दें. तो और डेफिनेटली उसके बाद एक अच्छी प्राइस पे उन्होंने लिया सारा कुछ. सो डू आस्क हिम आल्सो. वो आपको बताएंगे कि इस ब्रांड की इस प्रोडक्ट की वैल्यू एक्चुअल में क्या है बिकॉज ही इज़ वन ऑफ दोस्त जो PSL के साथ भी हैं बट इस ब्रांड की वैल्यू को जानते हैं। तो मेरी ये सजेशन है कि ज़रूर उनसे ज़रूर पूछें। 20th को हम एक पाकिस्तान में रोड शो कर रहे हैं जो सलमान आप करेंगे, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान के बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कह रहे हैं कि हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही। फैसलाबाद का स्टेडियम और हैदराबाद का स्टेडियम, अगेन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दोज टू स्टेडियम्स ऑल्सो। फैसलाबाद तो इस दफ़ा PSL होने जा रही है इंशाल्लाह ताला, और हैदराबाद का इन प्रोसेस विल बी टेकिंग ओवर दैट स्टेडियम ऑल्सो। OTT platform we have already launched. Inshallah Taala, it's already working in UK, but within a few weeks we are launching it in Pakistan also. It's our future, it's cricket future, and you will see the major revenue portion will be coming from OTT. This is for the investors. If people are telling you कि the media rights की situations क्या होगी अगले आने वाले सालों में और बाकी चीज़ होगी, my answer is just research about OTT platform. How much revenue you people will be earning from that platform. Salman can share numbers with you also, but it's a game changer for cricket. और हम लोगों ने उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम किया है, और आप लोग अगर उसके बारे में डिटेल लेना चाहें तो आप डेफिनेटली ले सकते हैं। तो राइट्स डेफिनेटली इस टाइम दुनिया पूरी मूव हो रही है मोबाइल फ़ोन की तरफ और स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस की तरफ। सो हमने ये ऑलरेडी काम काफ़ी देर से किया हुआ था, और हम उसको फुल फ्लेज लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, तो उसके रेवेन्यू नंबर्स इज समथिंग व्हिच यू शुड डेफिनेटली गेट। आखिरी चीज़ जो मेरा अभी तक क्रिकेट का एक्सपीरियंस है वो ये कि शान, आई थिंक शान ने कहा कि इट्स द ओनली गेम व्हिच यूनाइट आवर कंट्री, नो डाउट अबाउट इट। और ये वाइड गेम है जो हम सबको इकट्ठा करती है, हर घर में होती है, और हमें इस गेम को और स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है। लेकिन दूसरी तरफ ये वो गेम है देयर इज नो मर्सी, जब हारती है तो उसके बाद जो हालत होती है वो भी या प्लेयर्स को पता होता है या बोर्ड के लोगों को पता होता है कि क्या होता है। तो इसलिए अच्छी बात है, हमने इसको प्रमोट करना है और इंशाल्लाह ताला ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जीतना है। और मुझे बड़ी उम्मीद है कि नाउ वी हैव द टीम, नाउ वी हैव द प्लेयर्स जो आपको परफॉर्म करके दिखा सकते हैं, प्लस जो यंग टैलेंट हमारा अगले आने वाले टाइम में आ रहा है, वी आर स्पेंडिंग, मतलब खाली उनके ऊपर हम इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, उनको पूरा लुक आफ्टर कर रहे हैं। वन डे वी विल सिट एंड वी विल डिस्कस दैट आल्सो। इंशाल्लाह ताला वी हैव अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर। वी विल बी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी यू इन इस्लामाबाद on 8th. Take my words, it will be a very good deal and you will not be feeling sorry after 10 years. Thank you so much.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।